How to make a video collage with Inshot application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can create video collage in Inshot. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Inshot application, and once you have opened it up, tap on video, tap on new. So first of all, we have to select the blank. So tap on blank, then tap on tick mark from the bottom right corner. Once you're here, now if you want to change the background color, tap on the blank video from the timeline. Now you have to swipe this menu bar to your left and tap on background. Now select your background color. For now I will choose the white color, then tap on tick mark. Now you can expand this blank video to the length that you preferred. After you have done that, now to add a video in order to create a collage, now let's add some video. For that, swipe this menu bar to your right, then tap on PIP. Now you have to select your video that you want to create in collage in Inshot. For example, I have this video right here. Now you can expand this video to the size that you prefer and place it wherever you like. Now in order to make a collage, we need more video. For that, tap on this peep again and select another video that you wish to add to make a collage. Now, according to your preferences, you can choose the layout and expand this video. So, you can keep on adding some more video. And then place it wherever you like to make your preferred layout. You can expand it and place it wherever you like. Once done, tap on this tick mark. Once you're done with that, now you can export this video to a gallery. Tap on the export option from the top right corner and this collage will be exported to your gallery. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.